Hello fams, you're welcome back to my channel. God bless you as you tune in into this video. God bless you. To my old and new subscribers, God bless you. If you're just coming now, you're welcome. Thank you so much. May God bless you. So I want to make water leaf soup. Yeah, so that is the ingredients I'm going to use, and as you can see, I have shaki here. This is the protein I'm going to use in this soup, and I have red meat here, and I have also the liver here. I'm going to cut it later, and I have smoked mackerel fish, I have stock cube, and the habanero pepper, crayfish, periwinkles. This is optional, and I have dry fish here, and I have ogilibo here, as you can see. Then this is the vegetable. I'm going to shred it off camera, and I have the red oil here. And of course, we will add other things, which is salt. Anything, again, you will see it as the video goes on. God bless you as I move to deal with this, put the meat on fire, and other things follows. God bless you. So I'll go ahead to add the meat. I'm going to cook the red meat and this shaki first before I'll add the liver. I'll allow it to cook for a little while. I'll add the liver, because the liver doesn't have it doesn't have liver. Oh god, it don't have strength. So adding the stock cube, and salt. I will just leave it, cover it to steam by itself without water for a while. Okay, so let's leave it for a while. So for the benefit of this our new generation kids that doesn't know how to cook, and also they don't know our leaves. So this is water leaves, and I want to show you how to shred it. Many of them don't know how to shred it. So if you come across this video, at least you will see how to shred it. This one is like this. You shred it like this. I'm doing this while I wait for the meat. Remember that I just put the meat. So let me do it again. I'm not going to show all, but at least you see how to do it. You don't put the flour. Look at the flour here. You don't put the flour here. Yeah, just shred it like this. Okay, and this one is meant to throw away, then you put the good one inside the bottle. So let me do another one. So here is it again. Let's shred this one. We shred this one. Okay, like this one, you remove this one here. I hope you're seeing it. Then you put it like this. You don't put the flour. Yeah. So here is it. Remove it. All we need is the leaf. So here is it. Remove it. This is how to shred this. As you can see, I will do away with this one. So let me go on and do other ones off camera. Okay, so let's shape the meat. Okay, that is it. It has been here for 5 minutes. Now I'll add water. I'm adding hot water. Yeah, I'm not going to add too much water here, because water leaf has water, so we don't need water in this soup, too much water in this soup. Okay, and I'm not going to use any thickener. Yeah, I'm going to cook it as it is. So, and this is it. You might be asking why I didn't add the onions. I've said it on one of my videos. Anytime I'm using this ogilibo to cook, our native Maggi to cook, I don't use onions. I don't like the taste, but you can use it. Okay, you can use it to boil your meat anyhow, but anytime I'm using it to cook, I don't use onions to even to season the meat. Okay, so let's cover it, then we'll go ahead on another thing. So here is the fish, the dry fish. So what I will do now, I'll add salt here. I'll add salt, then I'll add hot water. I'll allow it to sit for some minutes, then I will wash it. So far, this is the meat. It has been boiling for almost 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead to add the liver. Yeah, I didn't add it at onset because liver is not hard, you understand? So now I'm going to add it. So another thing I'm going to add now is the pepper. This pepper is pepperish. I don't want to add all of them. So let's see how it goes. So let's cover to continue cooking. So farms, this is the meat. So we go ahead to add this fish. I've already deboned it. The dry fish. So remember, I don't want to put much water because that water leaf has a lot of water. Okay, so this is the crayfish. I'm going to add it. And this is the red oil. So I'm going to add a little bit again. Okay. So this is the periwinkle. I'm going to wash out the water now and pour it. So I'm going to cover it for now. Let it cook for 5 minutes. So here is the water leaf. I'll go ahead and add hot water in it. Yeah. So farms, let's check. Wow. So now I'm going to add, you remember our ogiribo. So I'm going to add it now. This soup is making sense by now. And still our smoked fish. Okay. So by this time this soup is getting ready. Wow. The aroma that is coming out from this kitchen is something else. If you are from Igbo land, you'll understand. This my ogiribo is doing justice to this soup. Okay, so without wasting much time, because the soup is getting ready, this is the water leaf. Farms, I'm not going to slice it because look at it. I'm going to add it. Okay, you can slice it, okay, But this is how I want it to be for now, because it's just like oha. It doesn't have strength, so no need of cutting it. Okay, no need of cutting it. So this soup, if you are still here, God bless you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up, share out the video, and also subscribe if you haven't. Okay, so this is typical vegetable soup. I told you I don't want to add water. As you can see, it's vegetable soup. I don't want to add anything thickener. It's okay like this. Okay, so no need of cooking this for a very long time. As you can see, the water leaf is already okay. So what I will do now is just to cover it a little so that the vegetable will get some heat, then the soup will be ready. God bless you.